How are you?
I'm doing
How have
good.
you been?
What?
How have you been?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you speak a bit louder?
Just how have you been?
Okay.
Are you fine?
My channel is going good and I'm also doing good. And I hope you are also doing good in your channel.
Yeah, I'm also doing pretty well. I'm putting my great effort to enhance my YouTube channel also, but only depend on yeah.
Do you have any topic for today?
Yeah, just you dropped it. That after that, I thought that okay, you mentioned it 4 o'clock evening time, so that's why I said that okay, then tomorrow we will talk on that topic.
But I so
So
today I'm giving a very simple topic.
okay,
In this world there are two things, knowledge and money. And both are very essential things for human life. So
yeah,
do you want to describe money is more important or money is more important in the life?
okay. Which one is too much important for human being, money or knowledge?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
But
is.
I think both are more essential. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with you. Yeah, yeah. Both are very essential for human being. Yeah, because
Yeah.
yeah, because without money we cannot do anything. Without knowledge we cannot achieve money. Yeah, because if we have money, so money makes a lot of money. Yeah.
Do you think if somebody has so much amount of money, then it can be sometimes it can be dangerous for the society. Do you think?
Sorry, just try to repeat again.
I'm saying that like all person are right now want that I should have so much amount of money. But we every day read in the newspaper when income tax department raid some houses, they get so much amount of money. Do you know
Yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah.
But that person they are not giving this money to social welfare.
Yeah. Yeah, because man only depend on person to person. Like most of the people, they have lot of money, but they are not paying any kinds of tax, and you
Yeah,
not helping to people. Yeah,
yeah,
people. Yeah, it means that one money just it means you are very selfish person. Yeah, we can say that.
you know.
Yeah, because out of money, what we will do? Yeah, what we will
But
do? Because
uh, yeah, but there are so many person who have a lot of money, but they are not giving to the needy person.
yeah, 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 because I can say that man who has lot of money, definitely he will think that because I put it my great effort, why I will waste my money, why I will give to another people. Yeah, according to him, his thought, his thinking, his the way of thinking is quite good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm.
You know, and when somebody has extra knowledge, there are so many disadvantages also. Do you know this? Because when he or she is not using that type of knowledge in a good work, they can be dangerous for our society also.
Yeah, 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 yes. I agree with you. Hmm.
I have a
Okay.
story for you. If you want, then I will tell you.
Yes, I want to listen. I want to listen.
We all are aware of the Second World War.
Yeah.
That time and this time also, America is a very powerful country. But there was a scientist and he was a physicist also. The name of that scientist was Robert. Uh, Robert, I don't know full name, but he was
Okay.
a very knowledgeable scientist, and he was also called the father of atomic bomb. Also, he used his technology destroying Japan, and they throw the atomic bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki
Maybe
in
maybe
Second World War.
1945.
Yeah,
1945.
in Second World War. And we all are know that we all are aware that so many people died in that war. And I think there is so many years, but that this time that area person are affected some health problems, mental problems due to that bomb effect.
Hmm.
So we can say when we have so much knowledge, sometime some person using their knowledge in a bad thing. And this is a
Yeah,
true
yeah.
story. America used this knowledge destroying Japan, because that time Japan was stand with Germany.
Yeah.
And this is a
Hmm.
true story.
Yeah, yeah. Because I heard this story, maybe I'm not certain, but 1945
Yeah,
were,
1945 was the year. That
yeah,
time
yeah,
this World War was happened.
yeah. That one item, that one atomic, what we can call, bum को क्या
Atomic
बोलते हैं?
bomb. Atomic bomb.
Yeah, atomic bum name
They
is
have made
little,
nuclear weapons also.
yeah, mm-hmm.
And they have used against Japan.
Yeah, mm-hmm. Yeah.
So when sometime we can say if you have so much amount of money or so much amount of knowledge, we should use this wisely.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And I think we all are aware this time hackers are more activated this time. They have you can say a very good mind, but they are using in a bad thing. They are hacking our accounts also. So they
Yeah,
have
yeah.
knowledge, but they are using in a wrong way,
Wrong way, yeah. Mm-hmm.
because every person can't hack the profile.
Yes, yes, yeah. Mm. Yeah, some people are there. They don't aware, like, how to like, how to put it some like it's what we can call. I'm not able to call.
But
Yeah,
but
separately, how they can live separately.
when we go in criminal type activities, there the police are using these hackers in a good way. But some hackers are using their knowledge in a in a wrong thing, like hacking the profiles, hacking the accounts.
Mm-hmm.
But we can't say that they have no knowledge. They have more knowledge than us.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
depend person to person how they are using their knowledge or their money.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but yeah, if you are taking through like hacking someone account or someone property, so if you will get at that time some money, if that one money you will give to some poor family or South Africa in that area is too much people are poor person are living there. If you
Yeah,
will help to them, so it is you did quite well. It means yeah.
yeah. So we can say that if you have money, you should use wisely. If you have so much knowledge, you should use it wisely. Otherwise, it can be harmful for the society.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And there are so many politicians. They have large amount of money, but they are not giving to the welfare of their uh, people. So many are all year, caught red-handed.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we can say they are hungry of money. They all time want money, money, money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is a bitter truth. Most of the politicians have large amount of money.
Yeah, I can say that here, if you don't have too much money and if you started to earn some money and after that automatically your mind will willing to achieve some more money. Like we will feel not like not satisfied. Hmm.
But I have heard some stories. This story belongs from my village. There are some couple. They have no children. When so they decided that we will give our land for opening a school.
Okay.
So many persons donated their land, money for a very good work, social work. I'm not saying all persons are very greedy. There are
Mm,
some good person also, whether they are rich or whether they are poor. It doesn't matter.
yeah.
In village area, most of the person doing this type of work who have no children.
Yeah. Yeah. You are right actually. Yeah.
Yeah, they are giving their land for the social reform also. Sometimes they are giving their land for opening a school because in village area they are not very. There are no. You can say in a village, every village there is no school before some years. But right now I think there are large number of schools.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Before 10 years, I think there was not a very good school, but this time I think there were very good schools.
Yeah.
So that was the topic. I think you have elaborated very well.
No, because completely, yeah, completely, my mind goes blank. Whenever I start to talk about any topic, that time, what is happening with me? I don't know. Yeah.
But it
Mm,
doesn't matter if someone is speaking. After that, you can also speak.
yeah. Okay. That's why, like, always time I feel uncomfortable whenever someone is approaching me to talk about any topic. Yeah.
But I think you should speak more and more
Yeah, yeah.
because
Because,
after speaking, you can get some ideas. You can get some sentence structure, some vocabulary,
yeah.
and
Yeah,
in my opinion,
definitely.
it is not necessary that everyone is aware of that topic. We can simply say that I don't have so much knowledge about this topic.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
can
but
simply
but
say,
yeah, but I always try to, like, whether I have knowledge or not, just yeah, at least two or three sentences I will be able to speak. I always time I don't say that I don't know what about these topics. I don't have too much knowledge. Yeah, I will listen to him. I will listen to him or her. But definitely I will at least two three sentences I will be able to speak. Yeah.
yeah. Do you have any
So
query?
yeah, now today, now right now I don't have, but tomorrow evening time, as you mentioned, is that one topic. So we will discuss on that.
Okay, we
Okay,
will discuss tomorrow.
okay, tomorrow.
Okay, and you
Okay.
can give your topic.